What's up, you guys? It's Dallas, and today I'm going to show you how I achieved this curly holiday hair look with my Kinkistry clip-ins. I'm starting with my hair braided. I just did sections, doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to add my 16 and 18-inch Kinkistry curly clip-ins, and then before that, I'm going to pin my hair up like this, trying to get it as flat as possible. I'm going to start by installing the clip-ins from the bottom up and just working my way up, making sure that the clip-ins are detangled, and I'm also adding water and then whatever gel you want to use. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start my style. I started with, I left a braid out so that I could do these cornrows to my hair. It's really easy, and I'm not a perfect braider, but practice definitely makes progress, and I've been getting a little better. So I just added 4 little braids to the front, and then I put rubber bands at the end. Then I'm going to go ahead and add more gel to my hair and also to the clip-in. So just trying to get that perfect blend, girl. Making sure that you add the same product to the clip-ins and to your natural hair. Also, I did go ahead and finger coil the front of my hair as well to make sure that it blended with the clip-ins. Then voila, here we have it. This is our style. I'm just adding these pearl barrettes, or not barrettes, I guess they would be like bobby pins to my hair to just add that little pop, give it that holiday look. And these are really cute. I added a clip and a bobby pin to my hair. Popped on some red lipstick, girl, and there you have it. This beautiful holiday look achieved with my Kinkistry clip-ins.